Guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. This one is an unboxing video for the next modification for the 4Runner, and it is a roof rack. We have the 7/8 roof rack from LFD Off-Road. So we're gonna unbox it in this video, and then I'm gonna tell you why I went this route with LFD rather than going with another company. When it comes to expensive stuff that has a lot of options, like roof racks, there's a ton of options. Sliders, there's a ton of options. Cold air intakes, like I did with the S&B air filter, there's a ton of options. So I like to tell you guys why I went with a specific company and why it may benefit you or why you may not want to go with a specific company. And get these crossbars done up. So we already have 4 on the 4Runner, and it looks like we got 3 more. So a total of 7. And then this right here looks to be the wind deflector. Got some more hardware. Very well put together. Nice. All right, so as you can see, we have the side rails right here, so 7/8. So it's gonna go to about here on the 4Runner, which is fine because I don't have a moonroof, unfortunately, so it's gonna go to about right there. And then that is where this awesome wind deflector is gonna go. Is that a smudge? That's a little bit of a smudge. These have to be aluminum because those are way lighter than the other ones that I put on. I'm pretty sure they sent me an aluminum kit. Oh yeah, right there. Aluminum. Sweet. So why did I go with LFD? Well, almost a year ago now, it was Black Friday, I got their modular crossbars that go up top. It was between Ragu and them. And the reason I went with them is because theirs sit a little higher. If you ever put anything up top, it's easy to reach under, tighten that bolt down. You still put your hand under it if you're washing your vehicle and all that stuff. And I didn't, at the time, need a full roof rack at all. I don't really put anything on top of my vehicle except for lumber from Lowe's. We bought a gazebo, so that thing was like all on top of the 4Runner. And I have no need for a full roof rack. So I didn't reach out to them or anything, I just bought it. I think it was like shy of 150, 200 bucks. They have both aluminum and steel. I will put those on the screen right now for you guys, but their Black Friday sale was absolutely crazy. I forget what the actual cost was, but that install video I will link down in the description. The main reason why I went with LFD is because you can upgrade as you want. If you just need crossbars to put a rooftop tent, max tracks, high lift jack, whatever you need on top of your 4Runner, and you just need a couple crossbars, that's all you need to buy. I liked it better than Ragu's because Ragu's was a little low and you had to buy the whole kit, and it was almost as much as a full roof rack costs. So with LFD, you get to just upgrade as you need. The reason I got the whole 7/8 now is because on Instagram, they reached out to me and they said, hey John, we came across your video. We've noticed that we've got a lot of sales because of your video. What can we do to repay you? Right there, you know it's a great company because they're paying it forward to the people who have made them money, which is absolutely awesome. I said, well, I could definitely use a wind guard right here because having 4 up there with nothing up there all the time was kind of loud on the freeways. 50 miles an hour doesn't really matter, but when you get up to 65, 75, it was like woo woo, just going up there like crazy. So I said, well, I could just get a wind guard. And they're like, were you ever thinking about fully upgrading it? And I was like, yeah, maybe a 3/4, but preferably probably a 7/8. And they said, well, what if we just send it out to you and you do a video again? The fact that they sent it out kind of in a repayment because I've sold so many kits for them is very, very cool. So that for that company meant a lot to me, and their product is freaking awesome. This is high quality, and the ease of installation was so easy. So I cannot wait to get it installed this weekend. The install video will come. I've already done install videos of the past on how to put just regular crossbars on, how to take off your original 4Runner roof rails. So I will leave those in the description for now. If you guys are new around here, please feel free to subscribe. If you guys are hyped about this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.
you.